Hi, I'm Tom Finnigan. I'm running for General Senator, and what I want to do if I'm elected is make sure students are properly supported. So that would include building upon the safe space policy that the Senate worked on this previous year, and then also making myself available to the general student population who I will be representing. I also like to build upon the work that has been done for mental health awareness, and I'm currently helping with the setting up of the Time to Change Society, which is about raising awareness for mental health. And the final thing I'd like to do is stand to be a delegate for the NUS and go to conferences, so I can go to the conference and bring back what I learn there to benefit students at Bangor University.
Okay, thank you very much. If elected, what would you like to achieve this year?
It's same goes to the points I've made. I'd like to build on what has been done, and also like to raise awareness of the actual Senate, because a lot of students I've talked to aren't actually aware of what the Senate does. So I think if they were more aware of it, then the general population would get more involved, and then more could come from that.
Okay, second question. What's the best thing about being a student in Bangor?
It'll either be the people or the location, because you're surrounded by places you can go, and everyone I've met here has been really great.
Finally, what's the one thing you would like to change?
There's not much I can think of, but I think it'd have to be the same as what I'd like to achieve with helping raise the awareness for the Senate, so it's better known throughout the student body.